Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. We're just saying goodbye to this beautiful 67 Fastback on its way to the new owner. Stunning car. But wait till you see what we've got installed today. Unbelievable, rare and exciting. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look at that. Genuine 350 Monaro and factory manual papaya. Unbelievable car. Look at this. It's not it's by no means perfect, but it's matching numbers, it's factory manual, Lono Ranger. Lono Ranger, I said papaya, but it's Lono Ranger. How stunning is that? Not many of these come on the market in a factory manual 350 matching number car. So rare. And this one's got the herringbone interior. It's got some gauges and stuff that we I guess the new owner will get rid of, but this guy has owned the car for many years. Look at that. There you go. 350. 81837. Woohoo! Party time. And the right engine. So that is a rarity in these cars. Factory manual. 8th month 71. So quite an early car. There you go. Lono Ranger. How beautiful is that? Now that's going to be coming on the site. I'm just going to walk you around what else is coming. We've got not one, but two Vermilion Fire XY GTs. This one is basically a totally original car, 71 model. Unbelievable logbooks, all original trim. Absolutely spectacular car. Have a look at this. Tasmanian car. Have a look at that. Just spectacular. Logbook. Magic. That is now prepared for sale. All detailed up. I'll just pop the bonnet and have it show you underneath the bonnet. Look at that. Just back from the detailer, so this one's now all ready to go. And this car is a 4th month 71 TL6 and V. And there's your matching number engine. Look at that. All original. Bakelite. I think this one's got the shaker flap inside it as well, which is pretty hard to see, but it is in there. But look at that. All original stickers. Beautiful car. And then if one's not enough, we've got another one here too coming. This one's just come in, needs to be prepared for sale, but that is a matching number, factory manual, factory sunroof, Vermilion Fire XY GT. So rare. Very, very hard to find sunroof cars. It's got all the gear in it. So still to be prepared for sale, but look at that. Goldie sunroof, you can't beat that. I'll just show you in the boot. This one was from Pierpoint Motors. Look at that. Still got the original dealer sticker on the back window. Man, oh man. Wow, look at this boot mat. Is that original boot mat? Wow, look at the condition of the boot mat. Man, that is spectacular. So this one's going to come up. Now, wait for this one. Turn around. Holy cow. This, you're not going to believe it, but this is an original paint, original trim, 27,000 kilometre car. And look at this. Still on the original tyres. Unbelievable. Olympic ER70 R14. Look at that. Wow. Let's have a look at this. The mileage. 27,800 kilometers. That is not a mistake. And look at this, no option car, not even a radio. I'll pop the bonnet on this one and show you inside. Look at that. Look at the door cards, like brand new. God, where has this car been hiding? Hold on one sec, we'll just pop this open. Have to stop Nicholas from polishing for 1 second. Wow. Look at the original stickers. Look at how they painted them back in the day. And look as it's coming down the line, GT hood, charcoal trim, and X for pepper red. How good is that? And there's your VIN number, 90589. Then you have a look over here, 90589. Look at that. TL, B and X. Wow. BS Stillwell. Look at this, all the original leads still. Look at that. Original hoses. Look at this hose. How well this has stood up to the test of time. And look at all the stamping still in place. Man, oh man, what a wonderful car this one is. 27,000 kilometre and on its original wheels. Look at that, BS Stillwell Ford. Oof. That's coming on now too. Original number plates, logbooks, everything. This yellow car is on its way to the Northern Territory. So that's been sold. And also this week we're going to be putting on this beautiful VK Group 3 Series 2, very rare car. And that's, this one's 45,000 kilometre car. Unbelievable, love the Series 2. Sunroof, look at that, still got the little dyno sticker on there from the dealership. These are stunning cars. I've just photographed this today. So 44,729 kilometres. Wow. Series 2, look at that. With the equaliser, gearbox equaliser and the Peter Brock stereo. Look at that. Air conditioned for your comfort. And then we've also got this one coming in, which is a GTS, and that is build number 1. 2000 and what is it? 2008, I think. But look at this. I don't think we've got the key for this one at the moment in it, but anyway, I'll pop the bonnet. There you go. GTS 307. First of the GTSs. HSVs, look at this. 6 litre. Very nice. There you go, Sting Red, build number 1. Look at that. Special car. And the mileage on that, do you remember what we're saying? 6,000 kilometre car. So basically brand new collector car. 6,000 kilometres. Look at that. There you go. Well, that gives you a bit of a rundown. I've got one more. Oh yes, we've got a couple beautiful XB that's come in. That is a genuine Deep Aqua 302 V8 4-speed with factory GS Rally Pack and factory Windback GOLDE sunroof. So again, another sunroof car. Very special, the sunroof cars. One other car that I'll show you, which is a sleeper, but how cool is this? This is a HX Kingswood. Looks like a sleeper, but wait till you see what it's packing under the hood. Look at this. Bang. Work 350, turbo 350 auto. Look at that. How nice is that? Just beautifully done. Fully engineered, mini tubbed. I'll show you in the boot in a minute, the mini tubs, but look at this. Look at the gauges, the instruments. Look at all the instruments. I'll have full photos on this. Look at that. White trim, door cards. And then in the boot, there you go, mini tubbed. There you've got your engineering. So that can be full registered anywhere in Australia. That is sweet. So there you go, that's the roundup for this week. Thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV, and these cars and more will be on the website this week. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to call Australian Muscle Car Sales.